Hey everyone, this is Gayatri. Welcome you all to BioSchool. In today's session, we are going to discuss about convergent versus divergent evolution. Also, we will focus on analogous and homologous structure. At the end of this session, we are going to solve some previous year CSIR net questions. So please watch the video till the end. And if you are new to my channel and have not subscribed yet, then before proceeding, please do subscribe my channel. So what is convergent evolution? Let's understand the term convergent. Convergent means coming together or coming close together. Okay, this is the convergent. So in convergent evolution, when different organisms, okay, let's consider this one is the organism 1 and these are the organism 2. When the two different organisms, they evolve similar trait, that is known as the convergent evolution. Why convergent evolution takes place? That takes place because of they are adapted to similar type of environment. Okay, so let's see here the example, like the bat wing, butterfly's wing and the bird's wing. These three wings are from the three different organisms, okay, but they independently evolved similar type of traits. Okay, that means they are showing the convergent evolution. Okay, and the convergent evolution, it leads to the analogous structure. Analogous structure means they are different structure. In anatomically, the structure is different. Also, their origin is different, but they have similar type of functions. Okay, different structure, origin, but have the similar function in different organisms. Look at here. This is the shark. It is a fish. Penguin. It is a bird. And dolphin, it is a mammal. So these are the three different group of organisms, and these three different group of organisms, they develop the similar type of appearance, but that have the different type of structure, like fin of shark, wings of penguin and flippers of dolphin. They are the similar traits, but structurally and anatomically they are different. Look, the fins, wing and the flipper, they look differ from each other structurally. Also, their origin is different, but all of them have the similar function. Similar function is all of these, they help in the swimming, right? In other example, the wings of bat, butterfly and bird, these are originated from three different organisms, that is their origin is different. Also, structurally, anatomically, they are also different. Okay, the bat wing, butterfly wing and bird's wing, they are anatomically, they are different, but all these wings, though they are structurally different and their origin is different, but they have the similar function, that is they are helping in flying, right? So, the convergent evolution, it leads to the development of analogous structure. Convergent means when the two different group of organisms, they develop similar characteristics. Okay, and analogous structure means different structure, different origin of different organisms, but all of them have similar function. That is known as the analogous structure, right? So now we'll see the divergent evolution. Divergent means it's diverge or evolve or radiate apart, right? So this is the divergent evolution. So group of organisms, they have the common ancestors. Okay, so by the gradual accumulation of the changes, they evolved into new species, right? That is the divergent evolution. In divergent evolution, it is the process where group from the same common ancestor diverge or evolve. They are diverged or evolved and accumulate the difference and resulting in the formation of new species. That is known as the divergent evolution. And divergent evolution, it occurs when a species, it colonizes into new environment. Okay, maybe because of the change in some environmental condition or because of the gene mutation, so that leads to the divergent evolution, where the group from the same common ancestor, they developed into a new species. Okay, and that is divergent evolution. It is also known as the adaptive radiation. It is called as the adaptive radiation because the organisms, they are adapted to the new environment and they are able to radiate or spread their numbers. That's why it is also known as the adaptive radiation. And divergent evolution, it forms homologous structure. Homologous means what? Homo means same. So structurally they are same. Okay, they have the anatomically similar structure. Origin is also same, though the structurally and anatomically they are same, but they have different type of functions. Okay, that is the homologous structure. So look at here, these are the pentadactyl limbs of mammals. There are the 4 mammals. Okay, so let's have an example, that is the pentadactyl limb of mammal. This is the for human, cat, whale and bat. All these 4 groups or all these 4 organisms, they have the similar origin, but structure anatomically also the humerus bone of human, cat, and the wings of flippers of whale and wings of birds, they are anatomically similar, but they have different functions. Like in human, it is helping the humerus bone, it is helping the holding or the grasping the object. Okay, we can say that it is helping holding. And in cat, it is helping walking, right? It is helping walking. And whale, it is helping swimming. In bat, it is helping flying. So divergent evolution is that when the groups from common ancestor, they diverge or radiated and form the new species. Divergent evolution, it leads to the homologous structure. That means they have the similar type of anatomical structure as well as their origin, but they have different functions. That is the divergent evolution. So in convergent evolution is that 2 different group of organisms, they develop similar appearance and that leads to analogous structure. Though they are structurally or anatomically they are different, but all of them have the same function. Okay, now we'll look into some previous year question. Which one of the following statement is not true about homologous characters? Okay. Homologous means same structure, also the origin, but they have different functions. So let's look into the options. Similar traits may not be homologous. The similar traits that leads to the analogous structure, right? When the different group of organisms, they develop into a similar trait, then that is called as the analogous structure. So this one is the true. Similar traits may be result of convergent evolution. Yes, that is also true, but here it is asking which one is not true. A homologous trait that is derived and said from a common ancestor is called as the autapomorphy. No, it is called as the synapomorphy, right? So when a homologous trait that is derived and said from an ancestor, that is known as the synapomorphy, not the autapomorphy, right? So in autapomorphy, it has the distinct character. Okay, it has the unique character which is not shared with its closely related taxon. Okay, let's understand that. This one is the ancestral traits and these are the derived traits. So in synapomorphy, the traits, it is said with the ancestors, but in case of the autapomorphy, okay, this is the ancestor, but the character, it is not shared. In autapomorphy, it has its own distinct characters, okay, which is not even said with its closely related taxon. Okay, then the option D, homologous characters may show structural similarity but functional diversity. Yes, this one is also true. So which one is not true? That is option C. So for this question, the correct answer is option C. Okay, let's look into the another question. The wings of insects and wings of bats represent a case of, okay, wings of insect and wings of bat, they have the similar function, but their origin is different. That means they are convergent evolution. So the correct answer is option B. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a clear idea about divergent and convergent evolution and also analogous and homologous structure. If you like this video, then please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel.